Good morning. It is a beautiful morning here in Vermont, and I am just checking out more of the property this morning. This is the Hill Farm by Sagra, and there is this beautiful view of the mountains, so I'm gonna walk there to see what it looks like. I have a full day ahead of me today, lots of exploring to do in Manchester, and I am excited to take y'all with me. Wow, check out this view, you guys. This is so beautiful. So the inn sits right, oh, is that a cat? It's a little cat. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a cute little cat over here. Uh-oh, it's running away. Oh, no, it ran back into the barn. That's the inn. It's so nice, and I had a good night's sleep. So today I am ready to explore. This place is just so peaceful, man. I could wake up to this every morning. That would be amazing. Today I am hiking in Vermont, and right now I am about to hike the Lye Brook Falls Trail. This is the Green Mountain National Forest here in Vermont, and I'm so excited to take y'all along this hike. So this is where I'm at. Let me show y'all the map. And this is the trail to Lye Brook Falls. And this trail is about 4 miles round trip, and there is an elevation gain of about almost 1,000 feet. Should take me about 2 hours to complete, so we'll see. So far so good. Getting my steps in on this hike. I did see a couple other hikers here, so not out here by myself. But one thing I love so far about Vermont is just how green everything is. I don't know that I was expecting that, but the amount of beauty that is here is just amazing. Guys, I am almost to the falls. I missed my turn back there, so I had to turn around, but I made it to the falls. I can hear the water already. It sounds so beautiful. I hear it, wow. Made it out here to the falls. It's a little hard to see because I feel like all the trees are in the way, but do you guys hear that sound of water? Oh my goodness. It's a beautiful nature sound. Wow. And right now I'm standing on top of this rock. It's a little scary, but I'm gonna try to go up there to show y'all a better view of the falls. But it sounds so nice and peaceful. I made it up here to the falls. This is Lye Brook Falls, and it is so beautiful. Oh, I just want to sit here all day because I can listen to the sound of running water forever. Oh, it's so beautiful. This was such a great trail, you guys. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep up with all of my adventures. I am checking out the Lincoln home here in Manchester, Vermont. So there goes the house back there, and I am in the garden, and it's so beautiful. Wow, and then check out these mountain views.
Brick outline here in the grass. It's about 16 by 18 feet, and it represents the size of the Kentucky log cabin where Abraham Lincoln was born. It's just a nice contrast before you go into this 8,000 square foot, 8 bedroom, 8 bathroom, 8 fireplace, Georgian revival style, fully hand carved, electrified summer cottage. Home is built in 1905 by Robert Todd Lincoln. He's the oldest son of President Abraham Lincoln's 4 boys, and he was the only one of those 4 to survive into adulthood. Robert was 21 years old when his dad was assassinated, and he's 62 when he's building this house. His home in Chicago is 3 times the size of this house. Entertaining, this one is built for privacy. 412 acres in the middle of rural Vermont here in 1905 is pretty quiet, so mission is accomplished for Robert.
Hey guys, I am hiking another trail here in Manchester, Vermont. This is the Equinox Pond Trail. It's a relatively short hike, so I'm gonna go check out the pond, and I am gonna take y'all with me. It is so beautiful here. Y'all see how green everything is? Like, wow, so pretty. This is just a really peaceful place. It looks like there's a event center right there. There is no private event today, but it's nice to have a space that you can host private events right by the pond. It's beautiful. That's it for this hike. I'm gonna go and get dinner. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next hike.